Hey everyone, Garrett here from I Code the Web, and I am asked all the time, Garrett, what are you using to build your websites? What is it that I see in your videos all the time? And the answer is simple. It's called Coda. The current version is Coda 2. If you look back at some of my older videos, it may look a little bit different, and the reason is it is the old version of Coda. Right now, it is called Coda 2. You can get it for $75 on the Mac App Store. You can also go to panic.com. That is the company that makes it. That's their website. You can also get it there for $75. They also have another program for the iPad. It is an app for the iPad. It is called Diet Coda, and it is $10 or $20. I got it not because I was going to use it as much as I probably should for the $10 or $20, but more because since I do have an iMac, and I obviously can't bring my iMac with me everywhere, I use Diet Coda on my iPad whenever I'm down the shore, at the beach, or on vacation or something like that, and I need to get to my website and do some work on it. And yes, I do use it more than I thought I would. Now, Coda itself is probably, I would say, the #1 most popular / just #1 in general web development application for designers, developers, things like that. It can do pretty much all of the different coding styles that you need, all the languages: PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SAS, CodeFusion, Perl, Python, all that great stuff. And this is how it works, basically. So on the right-hand side, you have your menu, right? And this right now is on my files, okay? So this is all the files on my Studio 16 Media site. Ones that may look a little bit more familiar to you would be the I Code the website, which is here. Okay, not as much stuff in that, so we'll go back to Studio 16 Media because it's a little bit more interesting. Along the top, you have the home page, or the home menu, which is where all of the different features that you can use. So they have clips. Clips are it's like code that you use a lot. You can type it in, and then whenever you want to use it or whenever you need to use it, you hit a keystroke on your computer that you can set up whatever that keystroke is. You can change it, all that good stuff. And whenever you hit that keystroke, it'll automatically copy in, or paste in, that clip or that little bit of code that you use a lot. It has a full-featured validator, which is really good because whenever you're doing a website, whenever you're making a website, you need to get it validated. Obviously, as you can see, I have a few errors here, and that's because I never really did anything about it, but I should probably get on that. And it gives you a full-featured validator, which is going to tell you if there's anything wrong according to W3, which is the people that look after the web. And that's kind of it. So there's also an Ftp Client, which means that you can work right on your server. So whenever you want to save something, instead of having to save it onto your computer and then put it into a separate Ftp client, you can just hit Apple S, and it'll update it right on your server. So you can work right on your server from Coda, and it's the greatest feature ever. Also, so let's say we have a few things open, right? Up top here, this first one is going to be where all your websites are. So I have my GarrettLove.com website. Under the GarrettLove.com website, since it's part of the same hosting account, I have Studio16Media.com as well as iCodeTheWeb.com. Then I have JohnsWoodwork.com, which is a client that I had before, and a few others which I haven't actually started to make yet, and I can't really tell you about them. But then moving on, we have all of our pages, and these are where all the different pages will come up, and we can order these pages in whatever way we want. So that's that, and that's Coda pretty much. They added a lot of great features moving over into Coda 2 that weren't in Coda, the original version, and I'm not really here to go into detail on everything because there's a lot. Believe me, there's a lot. We're really just scratching the surface. That was just a really brief overview, and there's so much. And it'd be if you ever get it, it'd be much more worth it to you to go and experience and find things by yourself than me just telling you where everything is. I promise you. But when it's all said and done, I do recommend this. It is by far worth the $75 because it is a professional grade application that allows you to make websites. A lot of professionals use it, and it is by far worth it. I've only had Coda 2 for, I'd say, about 3-4 months, and I've already used I've already made it worth the $75 that I paid easily. So I do recommend it. It is a really great application, and for those of you who are wondering how I make my websites, this is what I use. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. The more viewers we get, the more things that we can do. And trust me, I have a lot of great ideas in store. So thanks for watching, and I will see all of you on Thursday. Take care. Bye-bye.